friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new chocolate review. And in today's video we are going to review the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. So this chocolate has been in the market for quite some years now, and today we are going to review this chocolate. So guys, this is the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. So let's start off with the review of the product. So right here we can see the Cadbury branding right on top, then we have the Dairy Milk branding and the Crackle branding right here. And for the Crackle they have shown the chocolate to look like a cracker here. So that is the packaging here in front. Moving on to the back side of the packaging, here they are given the pure vegetarian symbol here. So the ingredients here are, it's a composite chocolate. It contains sugar, milk solids 20%, cocoa butter, rice crispies which is 11%, and the rice crispies are made of rice flour, sugar, refined wheat flour, malt extract and iodized salt, the cocoa solids, emulsifiers. It contains added flavors, natural, nature identical and artificial, which is vanilla flavoring substances. Allergen information, it contains wheat, milk, barley, may contain peanuts as well. And coming to the net weight of the pack here, this is a 36-gram chocolate that we have, and the MRP is rupees 45. So very premiumly priced. Dairy Milk, Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle is very premiumly priced at rupees 45 for 36 grams. So guys, let's go ahead and quickly unpack it and do a quick taste test of the Cadbury Crackle. So when I bought the chocolate, it was actually in a melted form, so it has lost its form. So please, let's not look at the form of the chocolate, because it has completely lost the form, because it was melted when I bought it. I had gone to the supermarket and traveling was quite far, so it got melted. So right now we'll do a quick taste test of the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. So here it goes. The same original Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate, with the crispiness of the rice crispies within it. So there's rice crispy in every bite. Quite a lot of rice crispies. So if you like crispies in your chocolates, you will like the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. I'm not a big fan of the crispies because I don't like it. Children like crispies on the chocolate because it gives them a different type of fun, because of the crackling sound of it. So yeah, overall the taste is nothing different than the original Cadbury Dairy Milk. The only difference is it has rice crispies within it. So guys, this was my review about the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle. If you all want to buy the Cadbury Dairy Milk Crackle, I have left the link to buy it in the description below. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.